What is up, guys? Technicals here to continue the salad saga. Hopefully this is sort of the last stop in terms of the salad saga besides like actual earnings and using salad. But I did get information from the horse's mouth. This is serious investigative journalism. I am probably the best investigative journalist in the crypto mining space on a YouTube with less than 20,000 subscribers. That's me. I put on my Barbara Walters hat and I got data directly from Salad. They reached out to me. I'm going to post the screenshots of the convo if you want to read it. But just off the cuff, I asked them some questions, what I thought miners would want to know out of them, and this is just me trying to think up something on the spot. Maybe there are some more hard-pressing questions that I missed out on, but that's just me sort of asking, are you laundering money? That's really all I could come up with. Again, this is a continuance of yesterday's video where I said salad scam, obviously clickbait, and it's working. So I'm getting the views I wanted. But I thought I'd post this just if it addresses anyone else's concerns. So let's take a look at what Salad said to me. And again, if you want to fill yourself in on the drama, you can check yesterday's video. But I don't want to keep harping on this too much because this isn't really all that important. But after I posted the video yesterday, I did get a DM from Salad saying that they were happy to clear the air, answer questions, things like that. Again, I'll post all this if you want to read through it, but that's, where's your sponsorship? It was a joke, obviously. But the questions I had, what's your role within Salad? Who the hell, who are you? Who's this DMing me? Is this the president of Salad, or is this, just someone else? I don't know. Do they use Puka? Now, if you check Son of a Tech's video, the email that he was referencing came from an agency called Puka. So it's common that agencies, act as the intermediary between influencers like me and companies that want to advertise. So Puka was the one shown in that email they said they don't offer sponsorships anymore. They really don't offer sponsorship anymore. So I wanted to clarify that, like you really don't or you don't. So there was that. Is Salad organized in the USA? I thought this might be pertinent, pressing, because if they are, then they are subject to federal law in the USA. Because it's like a lot of these companies are based in Eastern Europe or wherever. And so they're not really subject to U.S. law, so they can maybe have that latitude to get away with some things. So I thought that important, subject to any current investigation. Do they plan to roll out any alternative direct payment methods? Because that seems to be one of the biggest criticisms of Salad, that people don't like the gift cards. And given their recent popularity increase, do they plan on modifying the platform, catering more towards crypto miners, or staying geared towards the everyman, weekend gamer dude that just wants to turn it on at night and wake up and have 10 cents extra towards his Roblox account? Again, they go on to answer, he's Jared, Director of Channel Partnerships, handles the growth and the Salad community at large. They work with Puka, yes, so that could be accurate, that Puka was reaching out on behalf of Salad. They're not offering any sponsorships currently. Sad for me. I want money, but whatever. It's fine. It's fine. I'm not going to post my link though. I'm still not doing that because I'm not going to. If 1,000 people are not going to sign up under my link. It's just not going to happen. Yes, they're based in the United States, so that's good. Not subject to any current investigations. No plans for direct payment models, and that's probably because you have to have like a money transmitter, maybe a money transmitter license or some sort, or I don't know. It gets complex when you're making payments because then you got to classify all the miners as 1099, and so they need a W-9 from you, to fill out because you're performing a service for them using your equipment. So technically it's a 1099 thing. And then what if someone doesn't send it in and the people are complaining, you didn't send me my money. Well, you didn't fill out your 1099. Oh, what's that? I don't know what that is. Maybe that's why. And to be honest, this is all pretty sudden for us. We knew that miners would have the tech and the familiarity with mining and might be interested in Salad. So we went out to some initial offers, a few channels to gauge interest. The surge in content popularity among mining YouTube channels after was not something we anticipated nor really planned for. We're always open to receiving and incorporating feedback from our users, so I definitely wouldn't say it's out of the question, but hard to give a definitive answer to this. Hope that helps, mate. Hope it helps, mate. G'day, mate. Let's put another shrimp on the bobby, mate. You sure you're from the U.S., mate? Mate? And so I thanked him for it, and that if they do turn out on the sponsorship thing, I want a green Cadillac, like, the Mary Kay pink Cadillac. I want a green Cadillac, big one, big Coupe de Ville. And so that's there. So again, you can kind of read through all this. You could pause the video, or whatever. But that salad reaching out to address some of the concerns. Again, doesn't seem like anything's going on. And this is the last I will say of anything of salad in this regard, outside of earnings and rigs and what they're doing, unless some other news comes up. But that's the sort of the cap on the top of the thing that needs a cap on top of it regarding the recent salad issue. So again, love to know what you're thinking in the comments below. If you're using salad or if this has kind of eased some of your concerns. If you had any concerns at all, let me know in the comments below. Subscribe to the channel if you're not already. Like this video. I'm The Technicals. See you next time.